Hello friends, have you ever noticed your check engine light on and smelled fuel around your car? If your scanner shows P0441, your car's EVAP system isn't working properly, which can lead to fuel vapors escaping into the air and reduced fuel efficiency. In this video, I'll explain what P0441 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0441 error code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Incorrect Purge Flow. The EVAP system captures and recirculates fuel vapors back into the engine instead of letting them escape. When this system isn't functioning properly, the purge flow may be too low or too high, triggering P0441. Common symptoms of P0441: check engine light, CL, on fuel, smell near the vehicle, slight drop in fuel efficiency, difficulty starting after refueling, failed emissions test. Even though the car may still run fine, ignoring this code can cause fuel vapor leaks, environmental damage, and long-term engine issues. The EVAP system has key components that must be checked, and their locations vary by vehicle. Here's where you should look. The EVAP purge valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is located near the engine intake manifold. This controls the fuel vapor flow into the engine. The EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, is typically near the fuel tank or charcoal canister, allowing air to enter and exit the EVAP system. The charcoal canister can be found under the car, near the fuel tank, and is responsible for storing excess fuel vapors. The fuel tank pressure sensor is located on top of or inside the fuel tank, detecting pressure changes in the EVAP system. And finally, the gas cap is positioned on the fuel filler neck. A loose or damaged gas cap can trigger the P0441 code. Tip: check your vehicle's service manual for exact locations based on your car model. Here are some common causes of the P0441 error code. First, a loose or faulty gas cap. If the gas cap isn't sealing properly, it can cause incorrect purge flow. Second, a faulty EVAP purge valve. If the purge solenoid is stuck open or closed, the EVAP system won't function correctly. Third, blocked or damaged EVAP hoses. Cracked or disconnected hoses can cause vapor leaks or incorrect flow. Fourth, a defective EVAP vent valve. If the vent solenoid is stuck closed, vapors can't escape properly. Fifth, a faulty charcoal canister. A clogged or damaged canister can block vapor flow. And lastly, a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. If this sensor fails or gives incorrect readings, it can trigger the P0441 code. Alright, let's dive into fixing that P0441 error code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0441 and check for other related codes. Step 2. Inspect the gas cap, tighten it or replace it if it's worn out. Step 3. Check the EVAP system hoses for cracks, leaks, or disconnections. Step 4. Locate and test the EVAP purge valve and vent solenoid using a multimeter. Replace if necessary. Step 5. Examine the charcoal canister for blockages or damage. Step 6. Test the fuel tank pressure sensor and replace it if faulty. Step 7. Reset the code and take a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. The P0441 code is often caused by a faulty purge valve, loose gas cap, or vacuum leak in the EVAP system. Fixing it early prevents fuel vapor leaks and improves fuel efficiency. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0164, O2 sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 2 sensor 3, P0165, O2 sensor circuit slow response, Bank 2 sensor 3. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.